morning, friends. Today's a good day, you guys. This morning we got donuts. I went to Dunkin' Donuts and got some donuts. And now all my Hobby Lobby packages have arrived. And we're gonna peek through them and see what we got here going on. I was debating doing like a haul, but I don't even care. I just want to open stuff up, start putting stuff away. Do you want that to go in your room? Do you want to have a dinosaur room? Look at all this bubble wrap I saved for you guys. That's full of bubble wrap. No, not yet, not yet. Wait until Kai wakes up so that we don't wake him up, okay?
This is nice.
Yeah. Hiram, your dinosaur decorations came in. Look at that huge one.
No. This is usual.
Is that cool?
This is my one. Hey, this one.
You want that one?
What happened to my animal ones?
Is that cool? No, those are your dinosaur ones.
What's my animal ones? I want the animal ones.
You said you wanted a dinosaur room.
I want both. Whoa, what is
Okay,
it?
well, that's your dinosaur stuff. Do you like it?
Yeah. What happened to my animal? I want my pet room be animal.
Okay, well, we'll have to make those ones.
What's this? What's this say? What's this say?
It says roar.
Hey, these are the cups. Hey, these are cups ones.
Go put your hat on.
Hey, Mom.
So take a picture of you.
Mom, these are two cups you want.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay, so it's a madhouse in here. This guy woke up. This guy woke up. Get down from there. I literally just filmed a home decor haul, so you guys can look forward to seeing that in the future. Get down. Show you guys what's going on. This guy's got a hold of the bubble wrap. Kai, that's not bubble wrap. Here you go, Kai. That's for Kai. That's for Kai. That is for Kai. Whoa, Kai, nice.
Look at me, Mom. See,
Look at Bea. She's like, really? I was sleeping over here. Really? You showing him? Nice. Anyway, so we have a huge mess, but now I'm ready to start like putting stuff where they belong. I don't know. Anyways, look forward to that home decor haul. What's going on, my bunkie? What's going on, my baby? What's going on? So did you guys like my What I Ate Wednesdays? Do you guys think I should do that? If you do, give me a thumbs up if you want me to do some more What I Ate Wednesdays. This baby, he's scared. What's going on? Today it's been so crazy. So I feel like every day right now though, mommy life with 4 kids, struggling. I'm struggling. But anyways, it's okay. This is like the real, this is like so real, it's boring. So I think I like finished decorating this room. I didn't really put anything new except for that plant on there. I'm not sure if I'm gonna put that like that or like this, guys. Maybe like that, that's cute. And I'm still working on that plant. But check out my eat up there. Isn't that so cute? This is how it ended up looking. I'm not too sure about it. Hubby says it's big. He's looking over at some emails that I have to send, making sure that I spell things correctly.
Let's watch the rest of Mario Party.
Let's watch?
So we can get Mario Party and play.
Wait, what's Mario Party?
You ever played Mario Party?
I thought it was the one where you bonk each other with the balloons. It's not the one where you have the balloons and then you try to bonk each other?
No, it's Mario Kart.
What's Mario Party?
This is it.
Okay, then I've never played, I lied. Thank goodness for YouTube. What would we have without YouTube? Look who I found sleeping on the stairs. So bad. Okay, so we're going on a date. We're going on a date. I'm not sure where we're going. Maybe Texas Roadhouse. But hubby's here. We're changing baby. We're taking him and we're gonna go out.
No, it's all good. I don't give him paper. You don't? No. I don't give him paper with them.
This guy's ready for his date.
Because they already got it. They already got it once.
And this guy's pretending like I'm not pointing a camera at him. He hates it.
Because I got the paper.
Dunk.
You're not leaving them with anything, dude. Maybe a business card, maybe.
Show me how matchy-matchy you are. Show me your watch. Looking good, sexy man. So tell our friends what happened and why we are now at Five Guys when we were gonna go to Texas Roadhouse.
We got home. Aaron was really pictures again. On the computer.
No, that's not what happened. Okay, explain what happened. Because of this guy coming home late from work,
And then Sharon.
and because this is how guys, women, tell me down below if your husband does this. We call our friends to come to dinner with us. And his friend Scott says, okay, I'll start heading your way. So nobody clarifies which Texas Roadhouse. Nobody clarifies, nobody talks about address, anything like that. Let's tell him the rest in the car. I want everyone to see Butch's, the faces that he makes. Show us your face. This is how we dance to songs like this. This is Butch. This is a recreation of Butch's face. Can you see me? Thanks for leaving me some of that shake. Alright, so now that I convinced hubby to let me vlog, let me tell you all what happened and why husbands are always wrong. So, this is what I was telling Butch. I even asked him. So basically, we would turn this stuff off. So, we were telling, or we had our friend Scott say, okay, we're gonna go to Texas Roadhouse. So this is what Butch says. He says, all right, cool. Let's just do that, or we'll just see where we go. And then Scott says, okay, well, I'll just start heading that way. And I'm thinking, so is he heading? And I even asked my husband, stop! Let me tell him!
It's just the background music. You're gonna put background music on there anyways, right?
No, I'm not. Anyways, I specifically asked Butch, I say, oh, you know where to go, right? Okay, whenever it parts in that little, you take that little left. Oh wait, no we're not. Where are we?
This is the way home.
Oh, this was the street. Okay, see, I got confused.
Yep.
Okay, so this is the street. Not, I thought we were still on the other street. Anyway, so I specifically asked Butch, I say, what do you mean he's gonna start heading that way? Is he heading to our house or is he heading to Texas Roadhouse? And Butch says, I don't know, he's just heading this way. Anyways, so we start, Scott's like, okay, we'll meet you at Texas. He texts me after, says, I'll meet you at Texas, and I'm thinking, which one is he going to? Because we never talked about which one, and we're obviously going to the one close to our house since we initially invited him. That means we pick the one closest to our house. Anyways, that's how my mind works. Anyways, so we get to the one close to our house, and guess what? he's not there. And it's literally, it closes at 10. We got there at 9:25. And he was at a different Texas Roadhouse. So then we ended up not eating there, not eating with our friends, and we decided to go to Five Guys because guys can't make plans apparently. This is why the girls always do it. How hard is it to say, okay, I'll send you the address of the Texas Roadhouse near my house? You know what I mean? Like, how hard is that? What do you have to say about that? Defend yourself.
I called before I got home and said, hey, are you ready to go?
You're just blaming it on me?
I got home and she was still not ready.
Okay, who was taking off their clothes and changing their clothes?
One shirt. I said we need to leave.
And who was downstairs talking up to Graydon? Everybody saw you taking to. Everybody saw you. Everybody saw you talking to Graydon about work.
Okay.
Everybody saw that. I vlogged it. So you're blaming me? The problem isn't that that it was so late. The problem was that we were to the wrong one because of you. See how he just misses the point? He probably didn't even hear at all what I told you guys. Don't drink all of that.
Well, I'm trying to sip it slowly, but you need to get out of my hand.
Girl, I know you've got some issues.
This is how I dance to it. Look at me. That's kind of funny. Why did you ever laugh?
I'm going to encourage that kind of behavior.
Look at this guy. Pretend like he's so cool, backing his truck up. Whoa, you're cool, dude. You're so cool. Look at his face. Oh my gosh, can you guys see that face? Stop! Stop! Oh my gosh, stop trying to be so cool right now. I'm dying. Oh my gosh. This is the kind of music Butch likes, so if you guys didn't know, this is his music. Good morning, guys. So, I didn't finish vlogging for you guys, but there were some funny things that happened. I have like no makeup on my face. Can you just like, not flattering at all. Anyways, yesterday after we were at Five Guys and we were like heading home, before the car scene, I didn't even tell you guys. We were like walking from Five Guys and I walked under a tree and the branch got stuck in my hair. Now the problem with this, and the reason it's so funny, is because I'm like, okay, we're walking out, we're talking, we're laughing. I have 2 cups in my hands, 2 drinks. Like I have a drink and the shake in my hands. Butch has the baby car seat and the food in the other hand. So we're both like piled with things in our hands. We can't. So anyways, I'm walking, I get stuck. I'm like, oh, ooh, ooh, Butch. And I have the 2 things in my hand. He's like, I can't do anything. I have things in my hand. Literally did not know what to do. I couldn't bend down, couldn't do anything. I was just kind of like, anyways, it finally came undone out of the top of my head, but that was kind of funny. I wish I would have, we both said, oh, we should have vlogged that. That'd be funny. Anyways. So last night, we came home, we ate our dinner, and then we watched The World of Dance. We started watching that. Freaking good. So we just watched the like the tryouts. We're just watching the tryouts. So that's kind of what we were doing. Have you guys seen that show? It's really good. J-Lo. I love J-Lo. She's the girl. I love her. Love her. Oh, I just finished filming this makeup look. What do you guys think? Super fresh and pink. I wore this yesterday on the date. Anyways, I was telling you guys that we were watching World of Dance yesterday. It's freaking awesome. I love J-Lo. And all of those dancers were amazing. Super entertaining to watch. Great song picks. Oh, I loved when, I don't remember what the crew was called, but they danced to, what did they dance to? Jolene by Dolly. Jolene. Anyways, it's one of my favorite songs. And I was just like, Butch, it's one of my favorite songs. Anyways, thank you guys for hanging out with us in this vlog. Give me a thumbs up if you like our vlogs. Don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, I guess we'll just see you guys in our next random we do nothing vlog. This is real life, guys. This is real life. Anyways, bye.